Well, good morning, everybody. Jim Hanson here, coming to you from Academy Mortgage, another installment of Mortgage, Real Estate, and Life. I apologize for missing last week, doing some life stuff, helping my mom square away a couple things, and I couldn't get to a video. So anyway, here we are. March 31st, the end of the first quarter. We'll talk more about that next week. I got some good content for you. But this week, what happened on Monday? California Housing Finance Authority came out with the Dream for All program. We've been anticipating it for several months. Here it is. I waited. Came out Monday. I waited until now to put a video out because I wanted to understand rates, options, how it works. And I'll tell you what, it's a super awesome program. It's going to help a lot of renters, a lot of first-time buyers get into housing that might not otherwise been able to do. So, double-edged sword, however, super awesome program. And the other side of the sword is there's limited funding on it, and it will probably help between 2,000 and 3,000 families, and it's going to go fast. Every lender, every realtor, it's been promoted really well. It's going to go. So everybody knows out there who knows me, I'm not high pressure sales. I'm a relationship. I'm a educator. I love helping people. But the reality is it's not going to last long. If you want to take advantage of it or need more information on it, I'll sit down with you and help you out. So if you're a referral partner or as consumer, act now. Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402. JimHanson.net on the web, and have a super awesome weekend, super awesome Friday, and I'm here if you need me. Thanks so much.